Wherever you plant your heart, wherever you make your art, class is in session, Mrs. Scribbles.
Hey friends, my name is Miss Scribbles and class is in session. Hey guys, welcome to class. We're going to be drawing what you see in the top left-hand corner, a house that is Thai inspired. The top of the roof is very cultural Thailand. It's got that nice curve and that pointed top. Make sure when you're drawing this that you keep the left side exactly like the right side. That means it's symmetrical. Awesome, good job guys. Now on the left side, let's add the other part of the roof. You're gonna do a straight line and then come straight down. Now on the other side. We are learning so much about symmetry in this class. At the top of this roof, you're gonna give it that curve again. Do you see that? You would see it on so many Thai houses as if you were here in Thailand with me. That looks awesome. Let's do a straight line across. Yes, exactly like that. And that is the main part of our roof. We're gonna do another line. Now we're gonna come down with two lines just like you did. Yes, one line there and another line. Okay, right on the other side, being symmetrical once again. One line and another line. At the bottom of our home, we're gonna put, a straight line. That's the floor of our home. We definitely need that. Let's make that into a long, skinny rectangle. Perfect. We're gonna do the same thing we just did, but a little bit smaller in the back. So we're gonna give a little roof on that side and a little roof on the other side. Put your little curve right at the top. Exactly. And you guessed it, right on the other side. If you feel like I'm going too fast, again, feel free to slow down. We are in no rush today. Let's come down and give our house some extra rooms on that left and right side and a floor. There is something so charming about Thai architecture. I love it so much. They use such good colors. They use wood. It feels very natural. It almost blends in with the nature around it. We're gonna do a window on the left side and the right side. Awesome job, guys. Okay, let's put our house up on some stilts. These are going to be made out of wood, so we'll just make sure they're strong and sturdy and can hold up our house. These are actually just skinny rectangles. Just make sure they're symmetrical on either side. If you haven't already, tune in to my other YouTube video about how to draw leaves. Thailand is so green, and I think if you added leaves around this house, it would give it that extra magic. Because our house is a little bit raised, we're going to do a ladder right in the front. 2 lines on each side and then squares in the middle, separated just barely. Awesome job, guys. We are so close to being done. What do you think we're missing? Oh, right, a front door. Let's do an arched front door. The detail on Thai homes is so special, and that's what I want this piece of art to have as well. A line right down the middle. Perfect. Wow, this home looks so cozy. Let's add some little details here and there. We're going to do some lines that go across on that top roof. This is going to give it that wood look. We're going to do it on the sides too, around the windows. But you feel free, if you want your whole house to be wood, you can use those lines. You can do designs. You can do anything you want. This is the time to be creative and make this house your own.
Friends, you did a great job. Let's add some color now.
is in session. Mrs. Scribbles, Mrs. Scribbles.